Can Americans with no college degree really get $6,495 from this education program? The answer is yes. This controversial education program is giving those with no degree $6,495 to pay for college that never has to be paid back. If you do not have a degree yet and have not yet claimed your funding for this program, then it is important to act now before the program comes to an end, okay? So click the link below this to get started now. It only takes like 1 minute to see how much you could qualify for. And hey, you could use this money for any and all expenses while enrolled in classes. So this money could be used for your rent, can be used for groceries, clothing, a new laptop, and even travel. So if you are interested in getting a degree, but you might need some help paying for it, then this program is intended for you. So don't wait. Apply now.